In this video, we're going to go over what's in this box. What's up? Guess what we got today? So, I've been having AirPods Pros first generation for a while, and all of a sudden, about a week ago, it started staticking in the left ear. And so I was trying to figure out how could I fix this, but I still like to use transparency mode. So I had to figure out that in order for me to use these AirPods on a daily basis, that I would have to turn transparency mode off. But like I said, I actually like transparency mode. So I decided to get some newer earbuds. So if you're ready, let's jump into this video and let's get this box open. All right, here we go. Come on, man, get in the box. So I decided to go along with the Beats Studio Buds. I always like Beats, so I was like, you know what? I don't really get no bass response out of these AirPods, so I decided that I wanted to try out some new kind. So I decided, and I wanted to get away from the Lightning and move over to USB-C, which USB-C is on these Beats Studio Plus. So we got active noise cancellation, up to 36 hours battery life with the case. On the back, it works with Android, iPhone, or iPad. So that makes a big difference to me. So they pretty much come up the same way on both that I heard of. So let's get this box open and let's get this review started. Oh yeah. All right, so what do we get in the box? All right, so we get a USB-C to USB-C charging, and we also get some ear tips, which I'm gonna try out the different tips to see which ones fit better. Man, that's pretty cool, huh, man? All right, let me get my little trusty knife, get this thing open. So we got the transparent body, see-through, pretty cool, man. And shows a little LED when it's charging. We got USB-C at the bottom. There's a reset button or a pairing button in the middle. Then this is the earbud. These are pretty cool. So they go in each ear depending on what side they're in. So the left is the left and the right is the right. Also have a button when you have it in your ear to change to different settings. So let's put them in pairing mode. Let's make sure our Bluetooth is turned on. All right, you ready? Let's go. Well, there we go. And let's hit connect. You could choose to press 1 or twice on Beats to enter call. You could change this later in settings. I want to press twice. Announce calls and notifications. So the earbuds are charged right now at 92%, so I can kind of use those right now. But I'm actually going to charge them all the way up. And the case is at 69% already. So hit done. So now I'm going to put them in my ears. So I have my transparency mode I can use now. So I'm happy. So this has been an unboxing and a short review of the Beats Studio Buds Plus. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Peace.